The hardest part is making the right decision, and I hope you make the one that is right for you. Hey, I'm Fish. Look at that background. It's on super night. Shining up pretty nice, pretty bright. I'm gonna change on over, so let me stop walking. And continue on in regular video mode. Really no need for me to be in super night if I got a good video mode setting. Somebody took the scooter. They must have a good use for it. I heard DJI's passing off the USB port door as it's supposed to slide down and keep the camera waterproof like it is. It does its job. That's the way the mechanism is to work. I wonder how they found that and got that information out to you. To me, it sounds like a cover-up. They're trying not to hide things, but to tell you, hey, that's how it's supposed to work. Not really. When you have the Action 4, the Action 3, and the Action 1, all those doors, you gotta push the button to release, push the mechanism away to slide down. A little touch and fail. Well, we worked on getting the USB door resolved. And yeah, we could work on, the infamous lens flare. That's quite the norm now in the camera. If you don't like the lens flare, then simply remove the lens protector. Well, DJI is well known for trumpets. Insta360 and GoPro known for little circles. Now there's something like TDR or noise issues with the camera that people are finding out on their own by increasing the ISO to the minimum of 3200 and the maximum, and it's seeing a little bit of wobble on beams. I don't shoot in 3200 as my minimum, so I don't see that problem. By now you should see more video of the FOV boost lens. And how do you like it? Does it meet your satisfaction of the people shooting? Is it something that you like, that you want to give a shot at $59.99? The DJI Mic 2 Micro or Mini, whatever it's called, because DJI don't know what they released or shared to the public. Is it going to be like the DJI Mic 2 receiver? That I have a problem with the 4 that I purchased. And yeah, man, let me tell you, I hold it on 3 seconds, it don't go on. Randomly, I could get it to go on. And that's just at, a cold start. During the times I use it, it goes on, but I also get that quick one line going down. DJI just never wanted to fix it. So you get up, you go, and you get to the store, and what do you find? It ain't open. It's supposed to be open. You look around, and you ask the next person that's coming by, hey, you know what's happening? No, you don't know. All right, so you gotta get up, go find another place to go to do what you were doing. Wouldn't you want to know why the store was closed? Sure you would. Well, it's like DJI. DJI won't tell you if there's a problem with the camera or note it to people publicly. Bad for business. BFB, buddy, BFB. You know that old saying that you heard from your great-grandpa? No news is good news. Ain't that right? I want to give you some good news. And I want to let you know publicly. And it's addressed right there. So everybody knows what's happening. And that's what DJI needs to do. So people are well aware. I try not to let these things bother me, but they may bother you. And that's why I don't see many people around. So I'm thinking about editing. And I wonder if I want to update. Because if I was to go to another computer, then I would have to repurchase. But right now, all those sales are on. And it's a good time to make that purchase for my machine. But I don't want to do lifetime perpetual. I may want to do monthly or a quarterly or an annual because they updated. And Filmora 13 went to 14. They got one or two things I want to get, but all these extras, I have to really think, do I really want to use all these little purple heart things and don't have to worry about seeing that paid back out? That's a choice I gotta make. So I say to myself, how many times do I do morphing? Not that many. Do I really need it? What other extras am I getting that I really need? I do everything what I do here. I do simple editing, and I'm very happy and pleased. I just want to bring your attention right here. What does that say? Let me get out of the way. Can you read it? I sure can. And summer camp register now. Fall is not even over, and we're talking summer. Well, that's what DJI needs to be doing, talking about the next product. They have news and announcements, but they don't use it, they don't share, and people can offer their information now for them to work on so they can get it in there later. So why are we bringing up all the issues, sharing it to the community? We'll pass it on to the relevant team. And that is all you're going to hear. Well, I did my laps, I went around, and I'm turning in. Because this is the main highlight we all want to hear. And I got nothing to say. Nothing to say at all. Yeah, you'll get your stuff. You get your Osmo Action 5 Creators Kit with the standalone mic. You'll get the FOV boost lens. You get yourself the handle that they make. And off you go, having a great time with the camera. And never knowing that there are issues out there. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro 2024 style. It's an awesome camera, as well as the awesome Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro as well. The Ace Pro 2, that is. These are the two excellent cameras to have in your hand. You want to vlog with a nice large screen? The Ace Pro 2 is the one to have because you can flip it up and see a beautiful large screen and the information provided to you on their front screen. So why have a front screen if you got a flip up back screen? Maybe you can have longer life battery, cut the corners just a little bit for cost, but you have a GoPro Hero 13. Still not touch screen and a lesser sensor. I just made my park popular in doggy world. Yeah, separate the big boys from the little boys. That's what it's about. You want to be the little boy? GoPro's over there. You want to play with the big boys? DJI Insta360 are over here. And you have to make that choice for you. GoPro's got the best color profile, the crispness, the clarity. They don't have trumpets. They got trombones. They got gremlins in the camera. And they're free. You don't have to feed them. They just live off of the GoPro inside. And you have troubles end on end. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, yes, indeed. And you're going to see in your stocking stuffer one of those. And you're going to say, wow, I'm so happy. And I'm happy that you're happy. I hope you enjoy your action camera, no matter which one it is. If it's a Swan to a GoPro, You know those cameras, they're all out there, all these makes and models. Just make the right choice for you. If it's going to be your major primary camera or your B-roll. Have a great day, because I am fish. It's time for me to go meet Joe. Gonna be a relaxing couple of days. Oh yeah, man, I got things to take care of. I hope the things I did good go well. And on that note, I see you on other vids to come. Oh, before I go, I wiped clean my lens after the last video that I was editing. I had spots and flares all over the place. Hopefully it's corrected now. Keep a clean lens, and you'll be happy filming ever after.